Good day guys, and it's another video from Value Tout TV, and I am David Abiola Shonde. People call me Uncle Alikama, and today I want to show you this simple activity that you can spend just less than 30 minutes a day to do that can earn you profitable $50 per day if you know what you are doing and you can put in the work. So I'm going to be showing you how to use an AI tool, ChatGPT, and any AI image generator tool to create stickers, clip arts, and upload it to a very powerful yet widely neglected website that can make you this amount of money every day. So join me as I take you on this adventure. So let me go over to any AI app you have and generate what we call a prompt, so that prompt will help us to create an image. And this is the secret. As at the time of recording this video, it's almost Valentine's season, and people will be making purchases, doing quite a lot of things as regards Valentine. So it's a very good time for you to create a sticker or an image or something, a digital art that people can buy and can make you money, because it is that season. So you can replicate this also once it is Christmas time, Easter time, or any other season that you find yourself. It's just you understanding the trend and creating a digital art to sell during that period. I hope you get that. So today I'll be using Valentine because it's very close, and I want to start making sales towards Valentine. So I'll go over to my ChatGPT. We'll be using an app called ChatSmith. ChatSmith is a very powerful app. You can download it on Google Play Store, and if you have your way around things online, you can look for the modded version so that it will give you other added advantage. So I'm going to be using this this app, so and I believe it's going to help me out. So what I want to do now is that I want to tell this AI, you can use ChatGPT, you can use any other image generator, but I want the journey to be as fast as possible. That is why I'm using ChatSmith. So I'll come over and type on this tab, create a very powerful and romantic prompt for Valentine. So let's see. So one beautiful thing about this app is that it's going to create the image immediately, and of course after that you see the prompt that it uses in creating the image. So it's very cool. So you don't need to start mastering those prompts. So to create something,
a candle at dinner under a
this is very good. So I can just download this image. So let me redo this prompt again. I didn't create it very well, sorry about that. I should have told it to make it a sticker. A very powerful and romantic prompt for stickers, for Valentine stickers. So it's going to create another image, and this image will be outlined, so that I'll be able to remove, it's a sticker, I'll be able to remove it will give me an outline in the edge of the image, so I'll be able to remove the background of that image to have that sticker the way it should be. So you see the difference now. So let's wait for it to load. So it's not going to take time.
Intricate lace patterns surrounded by blooming roses, sparkling stars, and a soft, flowing ribbon in warm romantic colors.
This beautiful image, I can download it. Then let me go over to ChatGPT. You can tell it to recreate. Let me see if I can tell it to recreate. If I'm not satisfied, I can recreate. I don't think I'm satisfied with this. Recreate with the image with a plain background. Let me just use this like that because of time. So I've saved it. I click this icon to save it. Then I'll now come over to remove.bg. Do I have the app? I think I do. And do remove.bg. Let me load the website. So click on select an image, and I'll select this image, and let's see if it's going to help me tweak the prompt so that I can get a better image. So let me come over and say recreate the image with a plain background and a visible white outline. I hope it understands this, so that when I am editing, when I'm removing the background, it would come out fine, because all this didn't come out very fine. So let's wait. So it's creating the image for me now.
A vibrant heart with intricate lace patterns, surrounded by blooming roses, sparkling stars, and a soft, glowing ribbon on a plain background with a visible white outline.
The only challenge I have with this image is that I may not necessarily need to remove the background, but let me just download this and then go over to my remove.bg and remove the edge and download it, and let's see the way it will look like on that platform I'm going to be showing you now. So let me just remove it now because of time. Remove the background for me and just download the image. So the image is downloaded. So that I'll now go to this secret website. The name of the website is RedBubble. RedBubble. It's a very powerful website for those that create digital art. So if you're an artist, you create images online, you design images and all that, anything art, painting, this website works like magic. People make money from this website. As you can see, you can shop for stickers, posters and all that. In fact, you can create some of these effects, some of these fonts and all this on. So I'll just come over and create an account. So if you are new, just click on sign up, but here I'm just going to log in because I already have an account. Then I would sign in my account. Then I should be given access. So I've been given access now. So just come over here, and if you have an account, if you've created your account, just come over back to a profile, click on this, and you see add new work. So add new work. So remember, it's a sticker that we have created. So that should do. So you come over here, upload new work. Then you pick the image that we have created, the one we remove the background, click on done. So then you come over and start writing your titles. You can write, look at the image very well. You see something like hearts. I can call it Rosie Heart Valentine sticker. That's what I'm going to call it. So remember my title. Ensure that your title is search engine friendly, so that once people are searching for something like that on this platform, it will come out, it will show up quickly. So I'll come over and say Valentine Heart as my tag. Start putting in tag Rosie Heart. Rosie Heart. I should put heart, not heart. Heart. Rosie Heart. I can put digital art as my tag. Valentine gift also as my tag. Red heart also as my tag. You know why I'm writing this is because I want people to know that yes, this thing is the next thing for them to buy. So let me stop there. So I've just come over here and type the description: drawing of a rosy. Or I come over here, let me go to this and copy this, select and copy this prompt here, and I paste it. Because of time, it's starting all over again. Sorry about that. I should have copied it, and we do it again. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. So pick the image. So it's back. I think it's back. So I just here. I'll delete this, and I'll paste in this prompt here. So you are told to pick where you want this heart, this digital heart to be domiciled, where you want it to be domiciled, where you want it to be shown. So this is how the product will look like on a t-shirt. Let me enable it for a t-shirt. This is how it will look like for an hat. This is, as you can see, this is how it will look like on a magnet. Can I make it for a phone case? Let me enable it for a phone case. Desk mat, let me enable it. So you need to enable. So you now know the reason why I had to remove the stickers, because I want it to come out well. Pouch, it's already for cards and printers. So you have quite a lot of materials you can place this sticker on. So let me also put it for clock here. So something like this. So just play around it. Pin button as well. Pin button. So and some other additional thing here. So let me enable it for this. So you are told to now pick the category you want this media to be in. So I will pick design and illustration and digital arts. So then you are told that who can view your work. Say it is everybody. So is this mature content? No, this is not an adult or nudity. So you just click on I agree to the RedBubble, then you click on save work. So your work will be uploaded, and in the next few minutes your work will be live on RedBubble. So what you need to do is to continue to promote, continue to be resourceful. If you have friends that needs that design, you can also share the link with them. They can make payment via that place. So this is how your design will look like. So it's saying that some of the product I enabled it for didn't meet the required stuff. Fine, it doesn't have to meet everyone, but the one that it meets, we can be sure that it's a good one. So this is how the design will look like on shirts and all that. So that's that on that. So after some time, you can come over and come over here. Let me show you some of the things I have done on this platform. So let me show you my shop, my store. Things I have done, my portfolio. These are some of the images I have done. One person already liked this. So I just created this I think a day ago. So already I have one like here. So I am yet to make any purchase. Let me click on this so you see how much they are willing to. You can sell this product, or how much this product sells for. I think it works. Maybe I'll come over here and you go to your shop. shop. Then as you can see, this sticker here, this sticker here sells for, oh, why is this? So you can see this sticker here sells for $1.39. $1.39. So if you can create as many stickers as possible towards Valentine, at least create like 10 stickers. After this video, I will create more stickers just for the Valentine period, and I know that if I am to create like 10 stickers, at least I should have people that will buy 1, 2, 3 or 4 of these stickers. So that's how powerful, that's how you can make money via this platform. If you are able to sell 50 of these pieces in a day, if 50 people buys from you in a day, that's money. Even if it is 20 people, $20, when you convert it to naira, it's not a small amount of money. So this is what you can do. And as you create different images, you remove the background, you discover that you have much more hedge, and then you'll be able to make much more money. Already you can see the one that I created yesterday. I have one person that has already loved that design. So, and I believe in the coming days I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purchases out of this design. Please try this out and let me know. If you have any challenge setting up this, please feel free to reach out to me. I want you to share your experience in the comment section so that I will know how better to serve you. If this video has been beneficial, please share it to a friend that you know will need to watch this and learn and put to practice. Thank you so much once again. This is ValueTout TV. In this channel, we love to teach, we love to inspire, and we ought to show you the way to live and build wealth legitimately using the prevailing digital technology. I am Alikama. Until I come your way next time, remain positive. Bye for now.